Hello and welcome to It's Not Too Late TV, where it's never too late to learn. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to trim and cut your videos using Shotcut. These are basic but powerful tools that will help you clean up your videos without needing advanced editing skill or hiring somebody to do it for you. There are several different ways to edit your clips, and I'll walk you through each one step by step. I'm going to show you how to trim a video by selecting the clip and dragging the edges inwards on the timeline. This is great for cutting out beginning or end of the video quickly. I would also show you how to use the split tool to cut a section in the middle. You can place the playhead wherever you want to cut, then hit split. Additionally, I'll show you how to bring in each side, the beginning or the end of a clip, by adjusting one section at a time. Now let's get into it. First off, I'm going to bring my video in. I recorded this video especially for this lesson. Now what you do is you drag your video into the timeline, okay? And I did it in this way purposely. There's gonna be an area here where it's empty, and you want to bring your video to the beginning of the timeline. If you were to leave this open, when you play your video, it'll just show black. See that? You don't want to do that. So what you have to do is click on this minus sign and it'll bring the video back. All right. Make sure your video is not selected when you click on ripple delete on the minus sign, because then it'll delete your video. So make sure you click on this area of the video. Otherwise, your own video is going to be deleted. You don't want to delete your video. You want this area here. When you click on ripple delete, you click, and your video is back to the beginning. So when you play it now, it plays from the very beginning. Now let's go on to showing you how to edit your videos, how to cut, how to clip your videos. Okay, so there's the area you don't want on the video. I'll show you this. I made this video especially for this lesson, and I'm gonna do some craziness. Boop, I don't want that. So I just drag this back to this where I was talking, and I click here where it says split. So I'm splitting it. And I'll do the craziness, and then I split it again. So now the video is split in 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. This is the part that I want to cut out of the video, and I'm going to show you how to use this shortcut. Control X on your keyboard will take that part out. I'm going to undo this to show you. The other thing you can do is click delete on your keyboard and it'll take it out. However, it leaves the space open. You don't want that. And again, what can I do with the space open? Click on ripple delete. You want to be able to bring it all together, and you click on ripple delete and it brings it together. Okay? Now, here's another way you can trim your videos. If you know what you're doing and you want it shorter, you have to be in source. So let me expand this. You have to be in source if you want to be able to split your videos from this area. Now, the outline has to be red. You can bring it in. All right, starts at 10 seconds. I'm gonna start at 10 seconds, and I'm gonna end it at exactly 1 minute. That's another way you can trim your videos. Now my video is not going to start from where it was starting before. It's going to start from here. Now let me put it back in project so you can see. It's going to start from here.
I'm going to make some mistakes to teach you how
I'm going to do something else to cut it, because I made this video especially for this lesson. So I don't want to show that part. Okay. So I want to cut it out.
Video without the stuff that I don't.
And I'm gonna stop it where I want to cut. Cut it again. Select that part of the video. Control X, and it takes it out. So those are 2 options. All right. Option number 3. I put my cursor at the very end of the video. It turns into a double arrow, and you just trim the video. So let's say you only want it to be 40 seconds long, and that's it. So if you're working on a YouTube video, Shotcut makes editing simple and beginner friendly. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's never too late to learn. Have a great day.